Hello guys, welcome back. Looking for a way to host your own email server without the headache? Let me tell you about Mailcow. Mailcow is a free open source email server that runs on Docker. It bundles everything you need into one package. Email sending, receiving, spam filtering, virus scanning, and a web interface to manage it all. No need to piece together a bunch of different tools. This is perfect if you're tired of paying per user for email services. Companies with 50 or more email accounts can save thousands each year. Plus, you own your own data completely. No one scanning your emails or selling your information. Setup is surprisingly easy for a mail server. Mailcow handles the complex parts automatically. You get a clean web dashboard, unlimited email addresses, spam protection, virus scanning, and even calendar and contact sync. Everything works through Docker, so updates are smooth. But let's be honest, running your own mail server isn't for everyone. You need a clean IP address or emails might get blocked. You'll need to set up DNS records correctly, and you're responsible for security updates and backups. If something breaks at 2 in the morning, you're the one fixing it. Mailcow takes security seriously. It includes automatic encryption, two-factor login, and gets regular security patches. The team actively fixes problems when they're found. Here's where it shines. A small server costs around $20 per month and handle 100 users easily. Compare that to $6 per user per month with Google or Microsoft. The savings add up fast. So, is Mailcow the best self-hosted mail server? If you have the technical skills and want full control of your email, yes, it's powerful, well maintained, and cost effective. Just know what you're getting into. It's not a set it and forget it solution. Check the link below to learn more, and thanks for watching.